Well, guys, I was pulling my tractor through here and wasn't paying attention and hung my gate and broke my little post off going to the garden. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Maybe I can get that old welder down the road to come up here and weld it for me. Hey, Bill, can you come over here and weld this for me? Well, looky yonder, there he comes with his... Y'all ain't never seen a welding rig like this. I don't know. I heard you call me, so I got my little rig ready up here and I come on over. What have you done there, Papaw? Well, Bill, I was coming through here with my tractor and I hung my gate and I broke my post. You think that little welding rig of yours will weld this up? You ain't been drinking too many beers driving that tractor, have you? Yeah, I think I can fix it. I got a brand new welder right here we need to test out. Well, if you think you can do it, come on over here. How much am I gonna owe you for that? I ain't got much money. Oh, I don't know. I might just take one of them rabbits or chickens or quail off your hand. That way I can have me a good supper tonight. All right, I think I can spare a rabbit or a quail or a chicken or something. Go on and get your little rig over here and see if you can get it fixed up for me. So let me pull it over there and we'll see if we can get that set up and we'll get started. Alright, Papaw, that's got you fixed back as good as you was in the beginning. But I have to tell you, these cheap T-posts that you get from Tractor Supply, they cheaper for a reason. But there you go, I'm gonna get my rabbit and I'm gonna head back home and get him cleaned and get him ready for supper. Alright, I got my rabbit. I'm finna go skin it. I'll see you next time. Just give me a yell when you need something else. Well, yeah, doggies. Look at there, guys. Old neighbor Bill and that old John Deere Honda VEVOR welding rig got me fixed right up, didn't he? Huh. That's good as new. That's good as it was when I first put it up, I think. I'm gonna tell y'all something about old neighbor Bill. That fella there, when the good Lord made him, he broke the mold. I don't know about the old fella. He's kind of out there, way out there sometimes. And guys, when I say he's way out there, that Bill says he's from the tribe of Chickasaw. Chickasaw, you ever heard of such a tribe? He says that's a cross between Chinese, rednecks, hillbillies, and Indians. The Chickasaw Tribe. So if you ever come down in those parts of the world, I wouldn't mess with that old fella very much. Never know what he might do. I think I see him over there right now cooking that rabbit on a stick. Yeah, that's that Indian coming out in him. Every now and then he comes in handy, so maybe he'll enjoy that rabbit tonight. I'm just proud to get my fence fixed. Maybe I won't run over it no more. Alright guys, what y'all just witnessed here getting done out here. This is a Honda 2800 portable generator. And this is a little bitty VEVOR. Let me untangle the cables over here. This right here is a little VEVOR MMA 200 amp welder. Now, I'm not going to go into any details on this, but I'm going to put a video right up here that you can go back and watch on this VEVOR MMA 200 explaining about what all it does. It also does plastic stapling. But that was just something to show you what these little welders and just a generator you can get out away from home where you ain't got no electricity and repair stuff with it, and how good it works. Now I was using a 3/32 6011 rod. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed. I just had to get my little post welded there. I did hang it with my tractor and broke it off. And I thought I'd just make a little funny here while I was doing that. Showing off the little VEVOR welder. How good it works just for little projects like that. How easy and light it is. And guys, now it won't put out 200 amps running off of this little generator because it's running off of 110. But this thing got a 220 adapter. Like I said, you need to go back and watch that video. And you can get up to 200 amps on it. But anyway guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the little video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you ain't never subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Ring that notification bell. Don't never know what type videos I might be doing. I'm a little bit about everything. But I hope y'all have a great day and a blessed week. God bless. See y'all next time.